looking for someone, anyone, that might have known this person years ago. You know someone?
No. Now, Lord, we both know I ain't a praying man, but if you could pop in on Joe and make sure he's all right, that'd be okay by me.
Good morning, brothers!
Women need other things.
Like what? Oh, like my brother. That don't make no sense to me at all.
All right.
The old fart like you ain't gonna change.
Damn straight.
But I need to help the young ones get on track.
You know what, man? I think you and I are the Dr. Phil and Judge Mathis just niggas.
Got something that I can't control. I got the taste on my lips and I want some more.
Oh, Charles, he loves his son.
Losing my parents' love like that